Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we have started exploration of OpenCV library. In previous video we saw how we can load images using OpenCV and display it in OpenCV output. Now in this video we will be moving one step ahead by performing some basic image operations like resizing the image, rotating the image and flipping the image upside down or in horizontal manner. So without wasting any time, let's start this video by moving towards the destination folder.
And as you can see, there are three files available, which is description of this video. This is the image on which we will be performing various image operations, and this is a Python file where the code is written. So I will simply open this folder in VS Code. So the code has opened in VS Code. Now let's understand the code. So first is heading or chapter title. Second is import OpenCV library, and the import style is the same as we saw in last video. Then loading the image in variable, then loading the image in OpenCV window using imread method. I have told about this method in previous video only, and after that I use image.shape. So this shape method is responsible to give the width and height of the image. So image.shape of 1, which means it will give width to me, and image.shape of 0, which will give height to me. So the details will be printed in this terminal. We will print the details when we run the program. Now let's ahead. Then again the same condition. If image is not loaded or there was some problem loading the image, then error message will be shown. Else everything goes well, then you can simply show the original image. Then image resizing. So we have already seen this in last video. And the width and height of the image. So this is the current width and height of the image that I have taken after printing the output or from the size of image. Then the next part of the resizing the image is image rotation. So we can rotate image in any anti-clockwise direction and as well as clockwise direction. So to rotate the image, there is one method or first method, which is get rotation matrix 2D. So this will simply get a matrix in 2D format, and we will pass the half width and half height to it, and the rotational angle, which is 45 degree, and one means in anti-clockwise direction. After that, rotation image. So to rotate image, we will use warpAffine method of CV2, which is responsible for rotating the image and simply making the remaining part to black. So we will pass the image rotation matrix, which is this, and width and height, so which is the actual width and height of the image. After that, we will simply show the result using imshow method, and title of the window will be rotated image. Then next is image flipping. Flipping means just making the image upside down or downside up. So we can do this using a simple method called as cv2.flip. Pass the image, and 1 means horizontal flip and 0 means vertical flip, which is written in the comment section, which is written in this comment. After that, simply show the output of flipped image, and these two lines are same as you can see. Now let's run the program. So I will simply clear the screen and then run the program, which is Python image operations.py. So a lot of windows has appeared, so I will explain one by one. So let's minimize them. So first is the original image. So this is the original image, and this is the resized image, as you can see. So let's close it. The second output is rotated image. So as you can see, the image is rotated in anti-clockwise direction by 45 degrees, and the remaining part of the window has become black color, and the title of the window is rotated image, which we have written here. So let's close it now. So this is original image, this is rotated image. I will close it now, and now the last remaining image is flipped image. Flipped image means it has simply flipped horizontally, as you can see. We can also try flipping this image vertically. So I will simply just make it 0, save the program, and just close this program right now. So the program is closed. Let's run the program once again and see. Let's close this other windows first. This is a vertical flip. As you can see, the image has become upside down. So these were our basic operation that you must know in OpenCV to play with images. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.